Okay, so we're back with Radar, and we'll actually just keep on going down the list now. So we'll do Passbook a bit later, and we will look at monitoring. And yes, I'm sure there are other tools that do this, but it's really handy that this is tied in with your social media software, because you can nip into monitoring. You can keep an eye on what other people are typing, what other Google searches, so you can look for things that people have mentioned recently about your keywords in Google, on Twitter, and on your own channels, also on YouTube and Instagram. And from that, you can get ideas. You can see what someone else is posting. So we've got one of the keywords as Radar, which obviously is the software we're using now. And you can see on Twitter. Now, obviously, these aren't always going to be linked with our Radar. Like, do people realize the Gampai Festival? I don't think that's anything to do with Radar, but there you go. Third one on the list. Let's look at the main differences between Radar and Sprout Social. So that's somebody else's tweet. But then I go, oh, that'll be a good video for me to make, or that'll be a good post for me to make. And it's giving you ideas and giving your social media team ideas. You can also search for the Google searches. It does take a little bit of time, this, to propagates the word, isn't it? So when I had it on before, I deleted it so I could show you adding a new keyword. But it was showing the posts that I'd made on my YouTube channel, and they will all come up here, and it'll give you ideas. And then you can also see what other people in your team, if you have got a team, are posting. If you want to add a new keyword, so I'm going to click add a keyword, and I'm going to say the keyword is, let's say, Subly. That's some little subscription software I use. Really cool, actually. It's just some software where you literally just put all your subscriptions in, and it reminds you when they're due, and tells you how much you're spending every month. Right, put that in. Now it will take a little bit of time to, I'll use that word again, propagate. So it probably won't be there yet. Have a look at Subly now. Oh, hang on, that's probably why, because I'm not got rid of the Radar one. So let's have a look at Subly now. It probably won't show up. No records yet, but give it a bit of time, and soon that will show you all the posts across social media about Subly. And Descript is another piece of software I use. So if I see Descript, again, great software. You can edit just by editing like a Word document. It transcribes the audio. I'll try and put the link in the description. Transcribes the audio, and then you can just delete it, and it edits your videos. So there you go. Descript, fast growing audio video production. There's a tweet about it, and again, that's still propagating, but there'll be more. No, that's a Google search or an article that's appeared on Google. Right. And yeah, that is the monitoring project. You can select your sources, where do you want to see them from: Twitter, YouTube, Vimeo, or Google. You can give the labels again to other people, so you can assign those people those labels to users, and it will search in a certain date range for the posts, and you can sort them in date range from the most recent, or you can search from the longest ones ago, because you might want to go back in time and reuse a post someone's used in the past, if that makes sense. So here are the most recent posts about Descript, and there you go. There's the most recent one. Descript audio word processing platform that enables the editor, and that's a deal or something. Right, and a few more things on monitoring. You can select certain posts. So say you wanted to select a few of the posts that you were going to use later on, and you can export them as a CSV file. But down the left, if you see a post, okay, we're going to use that one. You can star the post. That will save it there. You can also archive it, say that you've reviewed it. You can give it a like, positive like, give it a thumbs up so you like it. And you can even visit the site where that post was made. And again, all the time, gathering ideas for you to borrow for your social media. So that is monitoring. Really great little add-on. This is why Radar is different to a lot of social media posting softwares. You can do a lot more with it.